student, welcome back to InstaOwl video lecture series for maths. We believe in democratizing education for all. Today we are going to complete the chapter Arithmetic Progression. Come on, let's get started. We have learned the formula for finding the an term, that is an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1d. And also we have learned the finding for Sn, the sum of the first nth term, right? So that is n upon 2, right? In bracket we have 2 times of a1 plus n minus 1d. So using this two formula, today we are going to find out the exercises of this chapter. So we have the first question, what is the 10th term of the arithmetic progression? That is 2, 5, 8, 11 and so on. So in this, so it is given that the first term, so a1, it can be written as a also, that is what, 2. Then we can calculate the common difference d. To calculate common difference, we have to pick up any two consecutive term. So here we can pick up 5 and 2. So that is 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So we have the value of a1 and we have the value of d. Now we want the value of the 10th term. So using an, the n term is nothing but a1 plus n minus 1d. So we can calculate a10. The 10th term is nothing but a1 is 2 plus, and then n is nothing but 10, so 10 minus 1 and d is what, 3. So this is equal to 2 plus, this calculation is 9 into 3. So we are going to use both mass, so multiplication should be done first. So 9 into 3, so here it will be 27 plus 2, 29. So the value of the 10th term in this arithmetic progression is 29. So you can write the conclusion as the 10th term of this arithmetic progression is 29. So this is how we use to find the value of an. Now let us see the next example. So what is the common difference of the arithmetic progression? Very easy. So here we know that this is a arithmetic progression. So you can pick up any two, this two or this two, any two and calculate the value of d. d is nothing but, now let's take the a3 minus a2. So a3 is what, 13 and a2 is 10. So the value of d is nothing but 3. Okay, you can extend the question by saying that, say, find the 100 term or 200 term and so on. Okay. Next, we have in the sequence, minus 7, 1, 9, which term is 153. Somewhere 153 must be there, right? So, it is asking that which term it is, right? So, here, from this, we have given, right, so minus 7, 1, 9 and so on. Somewhere it's 153 is there. We don't know where is it, right? So is an AB, right? From this we have A1 is minus 7. Now we need the value of D. So to calculate D, you can pick up any two, right? So any two consecutive. Let's pick up this two. So 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Now it says that this is the term of this particular AP. So this is some an term, right? So we don't know which term it is that we are going to calculate, right? So n term means this is the value of an. So using the formula for, so we have, so an is given as 153. So we will be substituting the value for an. The formula is a1 plus n minus 1d is equal to 153. So a1 we have as minus 7. So minus 7 plus n we don't know, that we are supposed to calculate, and d value is 8, which is equal to 153. Now this is simply the linear equation in one variable. This will be moving to the other side, so it will become as plus, so it is 160, right? So we have here n minus 1 into 8 is equal to 160. Now n minus 1, so this will be 160 upon 8, so 20, right? So n minus 1 is equal to 20, means n value is equal to 21. So this 153 is the 21st term of this particular AP, having first term minus 7 and the common difference 8. This is how we calculate the which term it is in the AP. Okay. So next we have the word problem. The first term of an AP is 4. Okay. And the sum of the first 8 term is 120. What is the common difference? Okay, so first we are going to write given. So given, and the first term is 4. So first term, right? So this is A1, right, is equal to 4. And the sum of the first nth term, that is the 8th term, is 120. So S8 is given as 120. Right, so here the n value in the Sn is 8, okay, in Sn, right? So here we will be using the formula for finding Sn, right? So we have Sn is equal to n upon 2, right? So, and then we have 2a1 plus n minus 1d. Right, so we'll substitute the value for the known one. So S8, right, S8 we want here. So S8 is 120. So n value is 8. So it is 8 upon 2, right? So 2 times of, right, A1 is 4, right? And then we have 8 minus 1 into D. Now, first of all, we'll calculate this. So we can cancel this. So we have 4 here. 4 we will divide here again, then it's 30 is equal to, now after solving this we have 8 plus this will be 7d, right? Now to solve this, what we will be doing, we will be taking this to the other side, so it becomes 30 minus 8, right? So 30 minus 8 is equal to 7d. So to calculate d, we are going to just divide it. So the value of d is equal to 22 upon 7. So we can have the value of d as fraction, as we have learned. It can be positive, negative or 0. So positive you can have fraction, or negative also you can have the negative rational number also. So the value of the common difference is 22 by 7, right? So next we have the first term of an arithmetic progression is 3 and the 10th term is 33. So what is the common difference? So given, so we have the A1 is 3, the 10th term, so the 10th term means the A10, right, is equal to 33. Now we will be using the formula for An. So we have An is equal to A1 plus n minus 1d. So we are going to calculate A10. So A10 is what? 33. So A1 is 3 and n is 10. So 10 minus 1 into d. Now after calculating this, this is shifting to the other side. So it becomes 33 minus 3. It is 30 is equal to, and then here we have 9d, right? Again we have d value as fraction, that is nothing but 30 upon 9. So you can reduce it to simpler form and write as 10 upon 3. Okay, so this is how we apply An and then calculate the value of d. So next we have a person saved rupees 50 in the first month, and then the rupees 55 in the second month, and so on. It's increased by 5, right? So then find the sum of the amount that was saved in 12 months. So given, right, we have this 50 rupees is the A1, right? A1 is 50, right, rupees. So the first month saving, and then we have D is what? Rupees. Now 55 minus 50, which is equal to 5. So rupees 5 is the common difference. Now Sn, now Sn is equal to n upon 2, right? 2a1 plus n minus 1d. So for 12th month, so S12 is equal to 12 upon 2, right? So we have 2 into 50, right, plus for 12, so if we substitute 12 here, so we have left with 11 into 5. Okay, so now this is 6 into, now if we solve this, we have here 100, right, plus this is 55. Now we have 6 into, now after adding this, 155. So after calculating, we have rupees 930. So this is how we calculate the sum, means the sum of the amount that is saved in 12 months. Okay, so you can increase the value and check how much you can save, okay, in a certain period of time. Okay, let's recap what we have learned in this entire chapter, arithmetic progression. In this chapter, we have learned about the arithmetic progression, sequence of number having same common difference between the consecutive terms. We have also learned the two main formula, that is finding an, the n term, that is a1 plus n minus 1d, and also finding Sn, right, sum of the first n term, which is given by n upon 2 times 2 times of a1 plus n minus 1d. Also, we have seen few application of it. I hope you have thoroughly understood the entire chapter, arithmetic progression. Keep watching our InstaOwl video. Thank you.